Good, guys? I'm gonna continue my backtesting session. If you don't know what I'm doing here, just look at my playlist backtesting content and yeah, basically explain to you what I'm doing here. I think we're around yeah, it's October already. Yeah, September's been rough. Um, but I think like the last two sessions were pretty good, so kind of bouncing back. Sometimes there are just months where it's not going your way. Um, Alright, on the daily, we just swept major buy side in forms of this high and now rebalance into this daily gap. But as you can see, the range is pretty wide. And I actually want to see a rebalance at least from ES into a daily gap. So I don't know how the 4-hour chart looks, but I'm leaning a bit more bearish, to be honest. Okay, we're starting at Thursday. Tomorrow's Powell speaking. I'm leaning a bit more bearish because ES also needs some kind of rebalance. The hourly shows us stacked session highs, which is usually not that great for like a bearish bias, but previous day high also still intact. Yeah, I guess we like London lows. It's a bit weird, but I'm leaning a bit more bearish. Also on the 15-minute we have equal lows, 15-minute equal lows, which are a pretty nice draw. But I need to see what be more reactive than predicting anything. Paddy swing 30 seconds into open. Now that I'm not a big fan of hitting trades like 15 seconds into the session because usually you're just gonna get like stopped out, stop rated. I don't know what we're doing right now, but I guess took out Asia, took out London. No, we did not take out SMT at Asia highs. Alright. Pretty close to PM session high as well. No, I don't like how price is reacting off of these highs. Like we need for rebalance, you could take this 4-minute, but it's 10 a.m. manipulation. We have the 5-minute down here. I don't know, you could take it due to the fact it's a 4-minute, but these also look like equal highs, I guess. Yeah, and I'm not trading against equal highs, especially when we have like a 4-minute. 10 a.m. still intact. So we had a rebalance to the 5-minute on ES. Oh no, I'm not liking anything till now. We have another 4-minute. And we are respecting it. Alright. I guess draws previous day high, right? But it's a bit too far away. Bunch of low resistance. I don't know. Like, I need to see a big retracement at least into a 15-minute gap for me to take any kind of continuations. Maybe I would consider like a Mech short, but there wasn't like, yeah, you can argue with the 30-second, but it didn't even close. So I guess I guess you can take the 5-minute. No. Bro, crazy manipulation. Alright. Weird day. I don't want to participate in it. I'm gonna just skip to the next day. I hope we dump lower, maybe. Or we're just ripping to all-time highs. That's alright. Like, see, we are like bouncing off of all-time highs, just taking out major lows, and then all of a sudden, boom, 2 days, 3 days, we got up so high. Even close to all-time highs on ES at that point. I think we have our next major draw on NQ is probably this daily high. I can also argue with previous day high, it did get SMT, but as you can see, ES is just super bullish. We haven't for our internal low, which I would like to, or I would like to see it getting swept and then take longs off of there. Wait, we also have Asia lows and London lows stacked below. We inverse the hourly, or we inverse the hourly on ES, and I think ES right now is the leading index. We also have bunch of low resistance down here, so I think these lows are definitely gonna get swept. It just looks sus. I don't know. It looks a bit weird. It's also Friday, so at 11 Powell is speaking. You have to keep that in mind. Maybe price action is gonna be a bit more choppy, a bit more unpredictable. All right. What am I doing, bro? Or what are we doing? We need to take out these lows, I guess. Yeah, at least these. Leaving these highs on ES, respecting a 5-minute on ES. Hopefully we're gonna get a Mech. Would be nice. 3-minute, 2-minute. We have a 2-minute right now. We are about to form a 5-minute. I think this is a valid trade, to be honest. Like, we wicked out Asia, we wicked out London lows. We made equal highs on ES. We respected the 5-minute on ES. We did not take out any of these highs, or like the major high, I guess. Triple equal highs above. We have a V-shaped 2-minute, and I'm gonna go break even once we tap into it. I'm gonna just target a 1-to-1. And I'm gonna be break even once we create a 5-minute. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. Fuck this journaling, bro. Okay, we have a 4. I'm gonna mark out the 4-minute, I guess. 3-minute. Yes, also does not have a 5-minute. Alright, I'm break even now. You could argue holding it to these highs, but I don't know. I just like maybe getting, yeah. I don't know. I like holding it until, or like taking low hanging fruit. This was a pretty nice trade. This was awesome. But I think like in these, on the current market situation, not in my backtesting session, things like these are a bit more unlikely because I don't know. For me personally, it seems like price change, or like price movement actually changed a bit, but we see. The past few days have been good. Alright, we have SMT at the daily internal low. High time frame bullish SMT. We do have an hour daily gap unmitigated below. I want to see the weekly chart also looks interesting if we inverse this weekly gap in this coming week. I think it's Monday now. Yeah. Yeah, I could see us. We are at all-time highs, so I'm definitely leaning a bit more bullish. But perfect scenario would be ES mitigating into this 4-hour gap and we're bouncing higher, and NQ maybe also mitigating into this 4-hour gap, but I would actually like to see a bit of a deeper retracement for us to be really bullish. We see how we react off of this 4-hour gap. If we inverse it, then basically, yeah, you can pretty much say that we are bullish. It looks a bit weird because we're like chopping around a bit, and I don't know. But this low definitely looks a bit weird, to be honest. But I guess we're just gonna take out all-time highs, and or we are uncorrelated as fuck. Okay, wait. Shouting off all-time highs is not that great. Maybe we're like uncorrelated because ES needs to rebalance, and because the range is just so weird. Yeah, but it's a nice dump, I think. We are inside of a 5-minute now. But do you really want to take a trade off of this? I don't know. Just looks like a high resistance run up now. I would maybe take like 5-minute cons. But I guess this session is gonna be really slow. Alright, what do we do? Nah, this is oh wait, you could have taken, if you're like risky, we have the SMT. Wait, I could still enter. We have the SMT at the 5-minute internal low. We have huge displacement coming up. It's like 1030, 1030 close, manipulating higher. And our price just looks a bit more bullish because we also just wicked this 4-hour out and then completely ran up. So I don't know. Also 930 high just looks like the perfect target. So I'm actually debating about taking this. But I need to see how my RR would look. Target a 1-to-1 like this. Going break even. There, I guess. Oh, nice. My order did not get through. Oh wait, now it did. Yeah, I'm gonna be break even right now because it's just a bit risky. But I think in live markets I definitely would have also taken it because you're like so close to a break even point. I think structure is pretty clean. Also this SMT, I guess, was like, I just looked super bullish from that point. The price action is just not as clean, and delivery just a bit weird. But I guess I think it was a nice play. Yeah. And now we're out of our range. Alright, all-time highs. All-time highs trading, I hate it, bro. I hate it. Because I'm always thinking like, bro, we need to rebalance the range, but it's like these are basically like practically new conditions, completely new conditions. I hope you guys get when I'm just marking out with lines because I don't want to use like the boxes for array gaps and stuff. I'm gonna just do it with lines and then check what I actually did. Yeah, for me to take the trade, I would like to see a rebalance. For ES at least taking out these lows, at least. News tomorrow, not today. Asia, London and Asia still intact, I guess. Yeah. Uh, this is definitely, look, this is something Paddy would take. 100%. Did it invest? Yes, it did. Oh, do I really want to risk? I really want to risk that. No. I know you can argue about taking it and you would have smacked TP. What is that, bro? Yeah, but I don't know. It's like 1 minute into market open. For me, it's just a bit unclear whether we are going for a deeper retracement or if we are. Wait. Yeah, it could be a nice trade, but I don't know. That early into the session, it's like, for me, a bit weird to take a trade like that. Currently inside of a 5 minute. But I would definitely, especially now, I would like to see the 15-minute get formed. Oh wait, isn't he at the 15? Nah. We could just run up now, but it's just, there wasn't even an entry, I guess. Definitely bullish until, okay, we tap the gap here. 5-minute cont maybe? Oh wait, do we form a, yeah, we form a 15-minute gap in 2 minutes, so. I'm gonna just wait until we are inside of this gap. I would like to see true manipulation though. Do we get it? Are we inside of the gap? Wait. Now we made equal lows with the gap. Nah, nah. We technically SMT'd it. Oh wait, fuck. Oh. We are so close to all-time highs on NQ, bro. What is stronger? The equal lows? Or the 2-minute inversion? And also like PO3 wise, it just looks so tough. 10:30, creating this 15-minute gap. We run up 9:45 on yes, manipulates lower into the gap, and we get an instant V shape. Alright, did it? Huh? Oh wait, like this. Yeah. Sorry guys, I thought I was at 37, but I saw Cam and also Bionic took a 1-minute inversion and they rated it A plus, which had equal lows. But I think this is a valid play. I'm gonna need to see my risk to reward. If my risk to reward is ass, then I'm definitely failing it. The displacement just looks too strong, to be honest. I guess I'm gonna have to take it though. Nah, I'm gonna have to stick to my rules. I'm gonna have to stick to my rules. Would have been a break even either way. I would like to stay and trade after 11 because if we do get a play right now, I would definitely be open to take it. Yeah, but we respect the 5 minute, I guess. Okay, it's too slow. Yeah, W fade. Always stick to your rules. Sometimes, like, your intrusive thoughts are coming through and you just have to get over it. Wait. Fuck, did I skip the day too far? Yes, I did. Alright. I guess, yeah. Yeah. We left out perfect equalize. Or not equalize, but relative equalize. Um, Relative 4-hour equalize. All-time highs above. Bullish SMT at that low. What does the hourly say? Yeah, bullish SMT at this low. Inversing the hourly barely. No, not barely, not inversing the hourly. Yeah, okay. Why do we have to take out our draws, bro? Then we use it at 30, right? Yeah. News at 8:30. Yeah, I'm bullish. I'm definitely bullish. If we resweep this low, I would maybe take a continuation. Wait, no, okay, we did not. But we have a manipulation lower on ES. Are we forming any bounce inside of a 5 minute? Nah. I guess we're forming a 15. Alright. How's our premium looking? Rebalance the range. It sucks that ES did not take out these lows, bro. If ES would have taken out this low, I would be happy, but this reaction just looks a bit weird, to be honest. We inverse the 50-minute to the downside. We have these swing lows on ES below. Currently respecting a 5-minute, or delivering out of a 5-minute. If we... Nah, I'm not taking anything. Just looks too weird. SMT at the highs. You could argue about taking this, but I guess we inverted the 5-minute already. Yeah, we did. Bro, it just looks not that great, to be honest. Yeah, there was no trade today for me. Alright. We did end up taking out all-time highs, which is nice. I like it. Wait. Okay, so we have a high time frame bearish SMT at all-time highs. We already swept out previous day low from Wednesday. How does daily say? Inside of a daily gap on NQ. We do have a daily gap way below. Oh no, inside of a daily gap on ES, I'm sorry. Slanted highs above on ES. Expecting this hourly. Slanted lows. Asia lows below. London lows. I'm gonna be more reactive, to be honest, because I'm not sure about our bias. It just looks there are too many bullish, bearish SMTs, and overall the range just looks a bit weird because we're so deep into our high time frame, so deep into high time frame premium. See, market doesn't even know what it wants to do. Alright. We have this 2-minute gap. Did we sweep anything? Nope. We're inside of a 2-hour, I guess, but took out this 50-minute internal low. If we do get the 2-hour, wait, did he take out these slanted highs already? Nah, did not. Okay, I guess this 2-minute is not even a bad play. If it plays out, obviously. No time frames in T, maybe? No. Do I want to take a trade that looks like this? Yeah. I guess I would. Yeah, RR is fucked. Nothing you can do. Maybe just wait for a 5-minute con, probably. There's nothing you could do right now. We're just shitting lower, hitting the 50-minute on ES. ES close to his slanted lows. So what I would like to see is maybe some sort of manipulation. We have a 3-minute, which looks tough. Oh, why did it have to take out my big even point already? And all-time highs are gone. Yeah, I actually have no objective for the session. Yeah. There's just if your main draw is like getting taken out, you should just avoid trading at that point. Or if you don't have a clear bias slash clear direction of where you want to see price go, then I would just like stay off the charts. So we're inside of a 4-hour. We have a daily gap below. I know NQ's range just looks super ass, bro. Just looks so weird. London highs. Asia highs as well. Big unmitigated hourly gap. Yeah, I would like to see some kind of retracement lower, hopefully. Bro, it's like every time we just take out our draws and then that's it for the day. Like, I guess like in 2021. But that's how 2021 feels. I would like to see a 50-minute sponsored getting opened or getting opened up, or we don't. We have a 1 minute with 10 a.m. manipulating lower, unmitigated 15 minute below, sweeping out Asia, London, Asia, and tapping into this hourly gap. I don't know. If this would have been like faster, I would definitely consider taking it, but it just looks a bit choppy. Something like this is better, like a 3 minute right now with a resweep stop hunt. When are we? 1 minute. Yeah, wait. Fuck ass, obviously we're respecting it. And then we're just like rushing, I guess. Nice. Taking out everything. And we are in the 50 minute? Yeah, we are. Alright. Well, how do you expect me to trade something like this? How do you expect to trade something like this? Or find something, find a setup to trade there. We do put in bullish SMTs internally, but we're not getting out of this range, and yeah, call it reps. I guess that's it for today. I think it was one win, one break even. It's alright. Still 100% win rate. That's what you want to see. Keeping my win rate above 70% on the long run would be ideal for me. Or like this is my goal definitely. Having a plus 70% win rate like over a year, over 2 years maybe. But I guess I like deleted all of my 2025, 2024 backtesting sessions, but over a span of I guess now 10 months probably. Or probably more. Yeah, for like 10 months now. 70% win rate is alright. Definitely my goal. So pretty happy about it. Hopefully I can stay consistent with it. Yeah, I think that's it for today. It's like all these backtesting sessions are just there for documenting myself or my journey and like my skill set and like holding myself accountable and still like producing some content. Maybe I can help some people out or like people who are interested to watch what I'm doing. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. See you guys in the next video. Gonna upload a TikTok in the afternoon about today's price action, if I took a trade or if I don't. Maybe not because today's OPEC, so yeah. But see you in the next video. Bye.